Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. And yes, you've read the video title correctly. I'm changing a battery on an iPhone 8. The pink one. Well, this is not one of my favorite pinks. This is one of my favorite pinks. See the difference. Anyway, long story short, I got an Apple Watch as a gift. And I could not connect it to my iPhones that I have in my collections. Like the 6th and the 7th. Because the Apple Watch is the SE2 2022, the 44mm one. And you must have at least iOS 16 and it has to be at least on one iPhone 8, which this one is. I've set this phone up. I got this phone for free from my stepmom because she switched to the 14. And I know what you're thinking, stop it. The battery, it's at 75%, so it kind of discharges a bit faster than it should. And I need to manually it up a bit, you know, like change the protective screen. And also the phone is waterproof, which means it's gonna be a bit of a headache for me. But I must do what I must do, since I need it. Of course, deep down to the core, I'm still a retro phone lover. And I also like my Android device. But now that I also have some Apple products, I get to have the best of all the worlds, you know. And I also install Google Drive on this one, so I can exchange files between them to the tablet, the phone, the Sony, and my computer. So why not have what's the best of everything, you know? Right, so let's begin. And here's the phone. Yeah, pink. I've disassembled some iPhones before, but not one that's water resistant, so let's hope for the best. I'm also going to take out this protective screen. This has been on since it got the phone new back in 2017 or 2018, I don't remember. Oh my god, will this come off? It's breaking everywhere. I think I have some splinters in my fingers. Well, I'm happy to see the screen is in one piece. I'll clean this later, but first clean here since playing with glass is not fun, you know. It unscrews by hand. I don't even need to use the screwdriver, eh? Well, not at first glance anyway. I'm gonna try with this thing and hope I don't break it. There we go. There's that old glue. I don't care about the waterproof since I've never put any device in water. Okay, let's see where the connector is at. Oh, right here. There we go. That's the first connector. Connector. There's a connector even here, adhesive even on this connector. Means this one it's easy to fall off then. I also have to clean the earpiece since the phone sounds a bit weird. I do have the new battery here, I hope it's the same. Oh, so this is it, this small one. Okay then. Yeah, this was the battery. Oh, never mind. Is it hot or anything? No, good. Yeah, huh, right. All right then, I'll take this battery outside since I don't want it catching flames in here. Be right back. Now that that battery is outside, that I feel a bit safe, well, I will stick these here. But first I need to clean this. This is gonna take a while, so I'll be right back. Well, I finished cleaning the bottom half. So let me get this thing out of the way first. Oh no. Whatever. Well, the battery is connected. I'll just put it in place. It holds, good. I'm gonna put this like this. Put this here, and now to get to the display part. So I have to clean this. So I'll start with the cleaning process. And now that I've cleaned that part, time to disassemble the earpiece so I can clean this as well. Oh, is that the front-facing camera? Okay. That's all the earpiece is? Interesting. Yeah, this is clearly dirty. Oh, okay, yeah, clearly dirty. Well, that should be kind of enough. Oh, there's a lot here as well. Oh, this is better. See if any dust particles got in the camera. I hope not. They did not. Good. Well, time to put it back together. I hope. Yes. Good. Is everything in order? I hope it is. Have to give it a press. I'm not putting the screws in yet, I just want to test it first. Yeah, no more adhesive, and now the screen is a bit weird. There we go. This is a good sign. Oh, I only saw my password, but not yet. Well, let's see if it works. Well, the fingerprint works. All right. Let's go to settings. Battery health 100%. Good. I'm calling myself now. Okay, it sounds better. Well, that was the battery change. Okay, I've charged it a bit. It's at 27%. It was at 24. And I'm gonna put a more manly protective screen. Something like this. Yeah, boy. It's a bit on the left. I'll leave it like this. And there we have it. Any dust inside? No. Yeah, it's already dirty. Great. But no dust inside. Yeah, boy. Time to get rid of this pink color with the case. What do you think? Now it's more manlier, just how I like it. Well, that's it for this video about changing the battery on this phone. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. And like always, I wish you a very awesome day just like yourself and all the best. Bye. Time to format the battery.